Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an online NY DMV Learners Permit test reservation. So, first, you may want to head over to dmv.ny.gov. From here, just click on Licenses, Permits, and IDs. Then, click on Learners Permits. So, from here, just scroll down and click on Step 2 Schedule a Test. This will bring you on the Schedule a Test section. And from here to start, all you have to do is click on the Schedule a Test button. So just proceed by pressing OK. You will then be redirected to the Schedule Road Skills Test page. And from here to get started, you're just going to need to log in by using your New York State DMV ID and date of birth. The next step is choosing your test type. From there, all you have to do is enter in your zip code or city and town. Then proceed by clicking on the next button. Next is just provide your personal details and information, starting with home phone number, mobile phone number, email, and just verify your email. Then proceed to the next step. Also choose the type of certificate if pre-licensing course or driver education course and enter in certificate number and date of issue. Then just proceed by clicking on next. And lastly, all you have to do is select location and date and time of the appointment. Make sure that you confirm that all the details you entered are all correct. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!